Hidden deep in the Trikuta mountain, away from the hustle of everyday, lies the mystical Shiv Khori, an ancient cave temple filled with wonders, legends, and divine energy. Welcome to Shiv Khori, one of the most revered shrines in Jammu and Kashmir. As you walk the dense forest and steep trails, the air is filled with serene calm, a perfect setting for reflection and devotion. The sacred cave is about 200 meters long. Inside, you will find a naturally formed Shivlingam, no sculptures, and just pure nature. Devotees believe this cave is a direct path to Lord Shiva, and every step inside whispers stories of faith, miracle, and age old tradition. As the cave opens into the inner sanctum, you will see pilgrims chanting, offering flowers, and finding peace in this timeless place. If you ever plan a visit, come with an open heart because Shiv Khori is not just a destination, it's a spiritual experience that stays with you forever. Har Har Mahadev.